Namaskar. I am Anika, welcoming you to the Travel World Online Newsroom. I'm here with the latest updates of the day from the dynamic world of travel, tourism, and hospitality. Before we move to the details, let's look at the major headlines making news today. First, the sacred Amarnath Yatra begins. Prime Minister Narendra Modi extends greetings and shares 5 resolutions for pilgrims. Next, India unveils its first Made in India EXIM shipping container, securing a massive order of 1,000 units from Maersk. In hospitality, OPO Hotels debuts its premium brand Rahitya with a strategic launch in Ayodhya. Moving on, Star Hotels partners with IHCL's Taj Inner Circle New Pass for global loyalty benefits. Also, ITC Hotels expands its footprint in Rajasthan with a new 145-key Welcome Hotel in Salasar. And finally, Intercontinental Chennai Mahabalipuram Resort announces a powerful new leadership team to drive growth. Now, the news in detail. The annual Amarnath Yatra has officially commenced in Jammu and Kashmir under extensive security arrangements. Marking this holy occasion, Prime Minister Narendra Modi extended his warm greetings to the devotees. The Prime Minister appealed to pilgrims to observe 5 resolutions during their journey, focusing on cleanliness, personal safety, environmental protection, respecting local traditions, and actively supporting local communities. He described the Amarnath Yatra as a glorious symbol of India's rich spiritual heritage and cultural unity. In a monumental boost to maritime self-reliance, India has launched its first Made in India EXIM shipping container. Unveiled by Union Minister Sarbananda Sonowal at Dadri in Uttar Pradesh, this initiative marks a massive milestone. Validating this success, global shipping giant Maersk has already placed an order for 1,000 additional containers, establishing a long-term manufacturing partnership with India. The government stated that this move strongly drives the Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat visions, firmly strengthening India's position in the global maritime supply chain. In international hotel tie-ups, Italy's Star Hotels has entered into a strategic partnership with IHCL's Taj Inner Circle New Pass loyalty program. This collaboration will allow members to enjoy reciprocal benefits, including preferred room rates, exclusive dining privileges, and wellness benefits across their combined global portfolios. This alliance comes at a perfect time as travel between India and Europe continues to see robust growth. Meanwhile, ITC Hotels Limited has signed a management agreement for Welcome Hotel by ITC Hotels, Salasar. This upcoming 145-key property is spread across 6 expansive acres in Rajasthan's renowned pilgrimage destination. Designed in the majestic traditional Rajasthani architectural style, the hotel will feature state-of-the-art banquet spaces, wellness amenities, and recreational areas. Shifting focus to hospitality expansions, OPO Hotels and Resorts has announced the grand launch of its premium brand, Rahitya. Making a grand debut, the company has introduced Rahitya Premier Anant in the spiritual hub of Ayodhya, marking its strategic entry into Uttar Pradesh. Located just 1 kilometer from the Maharishi Valmiki International Airport, the hotel will begin operations in the second week of July with 50 premium rooms, later expanding to 150 keys. According to CEO Sandeep Basu, the brand is uniquely designed to cater to the rapidly growing demand for premium stays. Lastly, Intercontinental Chennai Mahabalipuram Resort has announced a series of strategic leadership appointments to elevate its luxury guest experience. Hospitality veteran Anand Nair will now lead the resort as general manager. He will be strongly supported by a brand new executive team, including Suchir Jindal as Associate Director of Marketing. That's all the updates we have for you in this bulletin. For the latest, most comprehensive news from the travel trade, keep watching Travel World Online. I'm Anika, signing off for now. Thank you for tuning in. And Jai Hind.
You are watching Travel World Online.